at the flowers, yellow flowers, and these are beautiful flowers just growing by the side of this small path. These paths have been made for the people to walk around. Just Mickey Mouse, and for the children, for the entertaining works, Mickey Mouses have been built. And I see the beauty of these flowers, and red flowers, multicolored flowers are growing. You see, it is so beautiful, I must tell you, and just capturing the attention of the people. And see, lovely place to be in the daytime. Unfortunately, it is raining today, and we cannot enjoy the trip to this area, to the top of our bend, because of the adverse weather condition. However, I think we have to be satisfied with the environment we have to enjoy today itself. And so thank you for watching.